All right, welcome back. So one step from the end, and now really we have seen the website up and running in the domain, sorry, in the IP address of the VM we created. Now we have to add the domain. So we are just one step, and then we can close. So without any further ado, it should be a pretty straightforward operation. So where were we? We still log in. Let's see, we lost the connection, so we have to connect it back. Right. So what is the next step? Is install setbot. So we have the possibility to use the domain with, sorry, to use our own domain. Okay, so now we have installed. We have to, let me see. Right, we have to run this. Okay, should be pretty straightforward. Okay, let me pause here for a sec. Okay, so now we have to just run this command. In order to do this, before you do this, you have to ensure that you have registered on the DNS of your provider. So this one is Cloudflare, the record that you want to use. So in my case, I want to use this record. So make sure this is already here before you start. If you are using this, you also need to set up the security to configure and you select full. Okay, so this is another small trick. Okay, so let's go back here and we have to change the domain with my own domain. Let's see. Okay, let's see if this one works. So just ask for maintaining address. So enter your email address. Okay, you enter your email address. He asks you to confirm. You said yes. Yes. Requesting a certificate. Now, if it's successful, well, we should be able to change. Oh, yes. We have to change the Nginx name first. When we created Nginx, we didn't change the name. So I just copy blindly that without you see, changing the domain. So we have to change the server name over here and put the one that we want to use on the website that I copied here. Okay, compliments, why, yes. Now we have to restart the servers just in case. So even if it's not necessary, Junica, but just as a good practice, we do that anyway. All right, so now restart Nginx, and then we try again to install that certificate. That's it. Okay, let's go. Start certificate. That's it. All right. Okay. The same has worked. So the next step is to open the port now for 43. Yeah. We save it persistently. Yep. Restart Nginx. Okay. Now let's take this. And then we go on Oracle Cloud, we add port 443. We should close the other one if we're not using it any longer. Okay, so 443. And this one should be pretty immediate. Now, best. So if we do this, here you go. It worked. So now you have HTTPS for your website and everything is working, up and running. Have a login. Yeah, everything works. Right. So if we do try to log in and we use the user and password that we have here, I want to show you that it will work, right? Because we have not changed the um, the production environment, uh, or the correct address that we wanted to use. So we have to just copy this, and then we go back. Okay. Now, though, we have to redo the setting up of the new files and send it to the web. So let's do that quickly and do run web. So here you see the file being populated when they change, and then we copy. Okay, now we put this in the Git. Okay, now we go back here. If you remember, we have a personal website folder, and we can do a Git pull. Now, after we do the Git pull, we have to move these files to the right location. So we have to do a cp command. Just give me a second, I'll find it. Yeah, so the command is this one. No, actually, it's not correct. Yes, is the one below. The one above is for the local deployment. Okay. All right. So now the file has been moved. So we can just, this is part of the workflow, so that's why it was not in the full implementation. Okay, so now we have rerun everything. So if we try to log in now, refresh. There you go. And now you can also log in. Okay, so it's just the small issue of the configuration that we forgot to put in place before. Okay, thanks for following. Thanks for watching up to now. So now you are all set up. The next videos will be about how to customize the website to make your own, change the name, etc. Thank you for staying and thanks for watching. Bye bye.